Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today enjoy the Starbucks Bearista cup. So let's get started. To draw this super cute teddy bear cup, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the hat. So I'm going to start about right here and just go ahead and draw a shallow curve. Maybe about this wide. And then I'm going to come right here and just curve it down and then wobble out. Just a little bit more at an angle, and same thing here. Just wobble out. And then about right here, just go ahead and connect it once again with a shallow curve, just like the top. Then let's come back in here, come to the top, about right here, and we're going to draw a curve for the top of our hat. Just a nice round curve and bring it all the way back. And since I'm up here, I might as well just go ahead and draw the straw. So right in the center. So go right here, go left, go right, about right there. And it's just easier for my hand. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line down to create my straw. There. And I'm just going to go ahead and just draw in some stripes to finish it off. So then from there, we'll draw in the details a little bit later. Let's come back and draw our bear. So I'm going to come in a little bit, skip a little bit of space, and let's say about right here. Same thing on the other side, about right there. And using those 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve on both sides for our bear's head. So we got these 2 big curves. Then I'm going to start to bring it in. See about right there. Go ahead, we're just going to flatten out the bottom for a very simple bear head. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back and draw the ears. So we're going to come back into this space right here and just draw a curve, nice and round, and same thing right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's make it look like a bear. So towards maybe like the center area, about right here, I'm going to go ahead in the center and just give myself a point. I'm just going to say about right there. So using that as my guide, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve. And I need to draw this kind of ovalish shape so we can pop in the nose and the mouth. So about right here, and I'm going to go ahead and draw this oval towards the bottom. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and come back into the center area about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve for a big bear nose. Just round it off, bring it to the center. And then I draw a straight line down, about right there. Then from there, of course, you need to put in some eyes. So I'm going to come to the side, say about right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle. And same thing on the other side, about right here. There. And I think it's big enough. I'm just going to come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. But if you're drawing really tiny, you can just put in one highlight. But I think I have enough room. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and lines at the bottom of a curve right there. So same thing here. 2 circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom. Shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. There. And then let's give a little curve above each eye. And then now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's come about, let's say about right here. And here we're going to center the body. So about here and here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Nice and round. And let's see here. Let's keep going and round this off. And then maybe about right here. I'm going to stop and start right here with a curve. We're just going to draw the bear's hand. And I'm going to bring it in to about right here. So I'm leaving the center open. And so let's go ahead and create this hand here for our bear, this arm. There. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this across so it's approximately the same. And just want to leave the center open. So let's say about right there. And do the same thing. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back in, say about right here. Just going to draw a soft little line on both sides, about here and here. And then we're going to start the feet. So I'm just going to come right here and we're going to curve down to say about right there. Same thing on this side. About right there. And then in the center, just connect it with a soft curve. And then let's come out right about here at a slight angle, then round it off for the feet and connect. So same thing here, slight angle. And connect. There, we have our bottle. Looks like the honey bottle, doesn't it? The honey bear bottle. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we need to draw the cup. So we're going to draw, let's say about right here. We just want to make sure our cup is in the hands. So just going to angle it down to about right there. Drag this point across, so about same thing on both sides. There. And end it about right here and connect with a curve. And at the top, we're going to put a lid on it. So I'm just going to go, just make it easier. Let's just go a little bit straighter. Then we're going to angle. Just pop it out a little bit. Go across. And then one more top layer. So it's for a hot drink. Because it's fall right now, it's getting cold. There. Okay, and so then now that we have that for our cup, let's go ahead and in the center, just between the paws, just to make it a little bit easier, I'll just try to fit a circle in here for the... If you want to draw the Starbucks logo, you definitely can, but I just want to make mine a little bit simpler today, so I'm just going to put a heart in here. But if you need help drawing the Starbucks logo, just Google "draw so cute Starbucks logo," and hopefully that will help you. So then I'm just going to put in a heart right here. There. And then at the top right here in the center area, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of follow my top because we need to put in this little label. I'm going to round it off so that we can put the word Starbucks in here so that we know it's from Starbucks right in the center. And I'll just try my best here to write. Hopefully I can fit this in. A R B-U-C-K. Okay. B-U-C-K-S. Yay, we did it. There. If I had too much room, I would have put it in the register, but I don't have enough room, so I don't need to do that. So then we have that. Let's come in here for some details on our hat. So find your center and just lightly draw in these lines just to give our hat some texture. Maybe here as well. Just kind of following the outside. And notice I'm going in different directions. So maybe the center one, just make it like a straight line, and then one more wobble and out. There. And let's see if I'm missing anything. Round off my head a little bit more. But I think that is pretty much it for this super cute Bearista cup from Starbucks. I really hope you love this drawing, and hopefully you have one too. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you draw this fun and easy today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.